Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and having good times at your homes. I hope that you have completed the previous lecture on Scratch, that is Introduction to Scratch. And I know that you are good students, so you are able to complete the work on time and also learn the work as well. Today we are going to start our new lecture that is on Scratch. This is the continuation, second continuation of chapter Scratch. Basically, it's the last chapter of your book that is on children. Open page number 143 of your book. This is chapter number 11 of your book. So today we are going to learn about these things. Adding a new sprite. Whenever we are going to make a new project or any movie, so you know that there is a sprite which is by default, which is made by the manufacturer, which is put in by the manufacturer of the product. We are talking about the sprite, and sprite is a software for making games, okay, and animations. By default, a single cat sprite is present on the stage when we start a new Scratch project. There are a number of ways available to add new sprites, so you are going to change the sprite as well. If you would like, if you want to replace the cat with some any other sprite, you can do it, okay, but by default the sprite which appears on your screen, the first sprite which is by default, it is a cat, okay. This can be done by making use of the new right buttons of the at the bottom of the stage. So there are new sprite buttons are over there which you can make use, which are present and at the bottom of the stage. Let us learn how to add new sprite from the library and to paint new sprites. Let's see. Figure 11.1 is showing you how you are going to upload the sprite. The top one is for uploading the sprite. So you are able to upload the sprite by using this button. Then there is a surprise button. The next button is the surprise button, and the next one is paint. So you are able to paint the color whatever you like, okay. Then this there is a you can see magnifying glass which is used for choosing a sprite. So there are the new sprite buttons are composed of four buttons, and which are what are they? Choose a sprite, paint, surprise, and upload sprite. Next thing we are going to discuss is adding new sprites from the library. So how you are going to add new sprites from the library? Basically, you have to follow these steps for adding new sprites from the library. As you all know that library is a place where all the sprites uh, you can find most of the sprites in the library. Step number 1. Click on the Choose Sprite button. The sprite library appears. Figure 11.2a. Step 2. Choose a new write. Adding a new sprite on the library. So follow these steps to import a sprite from the library. So what are the steps? Let's see. Step number 1. Click on the Choose Sprite button to the sprite library appears. Figure 11.2 is going to show you. Step number 2. Choose a new sprite from the desired category. that is figure 11.2b. Then step number 3, click on the OK button. The new sprite appears on the stage and also gets added to the sprite list, figure 11.2c. You can drag and position the sprites at the desired position on the stage. You can also paint your sprite by using the Paint New Sprite button. So children, you are able to see figure 11.2a, which is on page number 144 of your book. You can see there are sprite and the other one is sprite 1. As you can see that what you have to do, you have to choose a sprite by clicking on the magnifying glass. It is basically for choosing a sprite. So you have to click for adding any sprite on your stage. You have to click on that. Whenever you are going to first click, when you click first time, then this cat is going to appear on your stage. You can also choose other sprites as well from figure 11.2b. There are other sprites like there is a bat, there is a bear, there is a butterfly and other things as well, dinosaurs and dog and cat and crab. So there are different sprites which you can use for making a game or an animation. Figure 11.2c is showing you the new sprite gets added to the sprite list. So here we are using the two sprites. The first sprite is the cat and the other sprite is a dinosaur. Next thing we are going to discuss about projects. So working with two sprites, how you are going to work with two sprites. Let's see. Let us create a project with two sprites. Add Hannah, a girl running sprite from the people's category. So there is a people's category and from there you have to click on the Hannah. Hannah is a girl and dragon sprite from the fantasy category. So you have to go on the fantasy category, click on the fantasy category and over there you have to click on the dragon sprite. Guide and place them, drag and place them at position as shown in figure 11.3. Click on the Alicia sprite in the sprite list to make it active. Make it the active sprite and create the block stack. Then you have to click on the, you have to create a block stack for it by using blocks from events, motion and looks block category. Next one is click on the dragon sprite in the sprite list to make it active sprite and create adjoining block stack for it by using blocks from the control, motion and looks block category. Now children, you are able to see Alicia and Dragon sprites on the stage. So Alicia is a girl and Dragon is, you can see, which is on the upper part. Then you can see figure 11.4. This figure is basically showing you move 60 steps. So when clicked, what happened? When clicked, you can see on the upper left hand side, when you can see when green click, then move 50 steps. Say everybody run for 2 seconds. So it is going to say everybody run for 2 seconds. Then move 80 steps. Then you have to, then the sprite is going to move 80 steps. And what it is going to say, a dragon is attacking us. And this is for 2 seconds. Then it is going to move 120 steps. As I have told you earlier, steps are very small. Okay, it is on the stage. Okay, move 120 steps. So it is going to move 120 steps and say what, look, it is increasing size. Then how much time it is going to take, it is going to take for 2 seconds. Then move 60 steps. So these are the steps that you have to, that are going to be followed. Okay, so you can see this is a block stack for Adrian sprite. Now click on the green flag and view the animation. So by clicking on the green flag, you are able to see the animation. You will notice that a girl sprite moves, warning everybody about the dragon. The dragon moves down and then changes its size gradually. So it is going to change its size as well. Let's see the note. Before running the animation again, they set the size of the dragon by dragging the block from the look block category to the escape area and clicking on it. First make sure that the value in the block is 100% full list of n. The gliding number 2 point is the gliding block will glide the dragon to the position mentioned by x and y. You can see figure 11.5, that is on page number 146 of your book, children. So let's see what is going what is happening over here. By clicking on the start button, by clicking on the green button, green flag, the stack is going to work. So what happened when clicked, glide 1 second to x is minus 190 degree and y is 1 minus 127 degree. Then it is going to repeat it 10, wait, then it is going to wait for 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds, then it is going to change size by 10 and the block is going to work in this manner. Now children, it's time for work. So take out your copies and start doing the today's work. Draw margins, make a title page of this chapter. Let's see what is the work area composed of. Oh, I see. The work area is composed of. Answer the following. Let's start. Write the question with blue color, write the date of today, and do neat and tidy work. So question number 1 is, how can we add a new sprite to our project? Answer is, adding a new sprite must be written with blue color. Then you have to use the pencil. Follow these steps to import a sprite from the library. So you have to follow these steps to import a sprite from the library. What are the steps? Step number 1, click on the choose sprite button. The sprite library appears. Step number 2, choose a new sprite from the desired category. Step number 3, click on the OK button. Or there are other ways as well. You can also use uh, you can also use the new sprite button at the bottom of the stage. Then there is a question number 2 as well. What is it? List the steps to choose a new stage backdrop from the library. Follow these steps to choose a backdrop of the stage from the library. Step number 1, click on the picture option available under the section backdrop present to the right of the strike less. The backdrop library appears. You can also paint your backdrop by using the paintbrush button. Then step number 2, choose the desired backdrop and click on it. The new backdrop appears on the stage. So that's all for today. Take care of yourself and write the index as well of this chapter. And I want the work to be completed by the next class. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz from my side. Hey students, I have created a reference video over here. Let's see. Due to that, you are able to understand the lecture well and you are going to get a lot of knowledge regarding uh, Scratch. Let's see the video.
Let me introduce you to Scratch programming, a very interesting software for creating games and animation. Let us first start with program and programming language. In our daily life, we perform many tasks from dawn to dusk. Any task that we perform includes various steps. We complete it step by step in a particular sequence. Okay students, let's learn it with an example. Suppose a teacher asks Kabir to bring notebooks of his class from the computer lab. Since he is new in the school, so she guides him the way to reach to the computer lab. She gives instructions to Kabir in the following manner. Move left from the class and go straight. After leaving 5 classes, take a right turn. Move forward, and after leaving 6 classes, take left turn. After leaving 3 classes, you will reach to the computer lab. Likewise, a computer follows stepwise instructions to complete any task, which is known as program. A program is also called software, which tells the computer what to do. Everything that a computer does from starting up to shutting down is done by a program. Any game that you play in your phone or computer is nothing but a program. Even the viruses written for the computer are programs. The language used to write programs is called programming language, and the person who writes these programs is known as programmer. Students, let's know the fact. Scratch can easily run on different operating systems including Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Okay, let me introduce you to Scratch. Scratch is a computer programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art. Scratch is easy to learn and use. It provides an interactive environment to create programs by dragging blocks of code. Okay, students, let us understand how to start Scratch. To start Scratch, follow the steps given below. Click on Start button. Choose All Programs. Click on Scratch 2. Scratch window opens. Alright, let's know an interesting fact. Scratch is developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Media Lab, led by Mitchell Resnick in 2003. Let's learn about main components of Scratch. Sprite. Sprite is a small graphic character that performs actions in a Scratch project. Scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Stage. It is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions as per the given instructions. Here you can watch stories, play games, and run Scratch projects that you have created. It is divided into X, Y coordinates. The value of both the coordinates are displayed at the bottom right corner of the stage. These coordinates indicate the position of the sprite on the stage. Sprite list. It displays the thumbnails of all the sprites used in a project. Presentation mode. Presentation mode or view full screen mode button is located at the top left corner of the stage. Click on the button to view the presentation of your project in full screen mode. Cursor tools. Cursor tools are located at the top of the Scratch window. It provides 4 tools to perform different operations on sprites. Duplicate. This option creates a duplicate copy of the selected sprite. Delete. Clicking this option will delete the selected sprite. Grow. As the name suggests, this option helps us to increase the size of the sprite. Shrink. This option helps to decrease the size of the sprite. Sprite Info pane. Click on the icon present on the top left corner of a sprite thumbnail to display the Sprite Info pane. It includes information about the selected sprite as well as a few tools manipulating the sprite. The tools include circular arrow, linear arrow, disable rotation. New sprite buttons. The new sprite buttons are placed at the bottom right corner of the stage. These buttons provide different ways to create a new sprite, import and use the available sprites. Let us discuss each one of these. Number 1. Choose sprite from library. Scratch contains many exciting inbuilt sprite options. Clicking on this button will open a Sprite Library dialog box, which gives you multiple options of sprites. Number 2. Paint New Sprite. Clicking on this button will open the Costumes window, where you can create or draw a new sprite. Number 3. Upload Sprite from File. Clicking this button will open the Select Files to Upload by app:/scratch.swf dialog box that offers a facility to choose sprite from the file stored in your computer system. Number 4. New Sprite from Camera. This option opens the web camera of your system provided your system is equipped with it. Blocks Palette. Blocks Palette contains the set of blocks which are used to program the sprite and give actions to it. Each block performs specific tasks in a project. It is used to create scripts in Scratch. The blocks connect to each other just like a jigsaw puzzle. Let's know an interesting fact. The official website of Scratch is www.scratch.mit.edu. Script. Script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. A script consists of at least 2 blocks. Scripts Area. Scripts area is the place where you create a script to do a particular task. The script is created by dragging the instructions from the blocks palette and dropping them stepwise on top of each other. A script is also called a program. Let us learn how to drag and drop the blocks on the script area. Students, let us know the fact. Scratch is used in more than 150 countries and available in 40 different languages. Okay.